Alright folks, today we're turning your pickup into a cargo hauling beast with a roof rack basket. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just you, me, and this killer upgrade. Let's get into it. First things first, grab your tools. You'll need wrenches, bolts, a ladder. Oh, and don't forget your buddy. This ain't a one-man job unless you're part goat. We're starting with the side rails. Front bolts go in first. They're like the anchor. Get these snug, but don't go Hulk mode yet. We'll tweak them as we go. Alright, let's get these crossbars locked in. First, we're going to attach the crossbars to the side rails, but here's the key point. Skip the crossbar that sits directly on top of the front standing bracket. That's the first one right behind the wind guard. And also skip the second to last crossbar for now. We need to leave these off so we have clear access to the standing brackets for adjustment later in the process. So go ahead and install all the other crossbars first. Slide the crossbar into the side rail and line it up with the mounting points. After you finish one side, do the same on the other side.
Alright, now it's time to install the standing brackets. These bad boys are what's going to hold your roof rack basket steady and keep it sitting pretty on your truck's roof. Let's get to it. We've got 4 brackets total, 2 for each side. Give the bolts a little twist to hold the bracket in place, but keep it loose for now. We're just getting everything lined up. This way you can make adjustments if something's not sitting right. Give the bolts a little twist to hold the bracket in place, but keep it loose for now. We're just getting everything lined up. This way you can make adjustments if something's not sitting right. It's time to get this roof rack basket up on the roof. This is where things start to come together, so let's do it right. First, grab your buddy. This thing's a 2-person job. Lift the roof rack basket carefully and set it on top of rooftop. Step back and eyeball it. Is it straight? Is it level? If something's off, now's the time to tweak it. A little adjustment now saves a lot of headaches later. Alright, the roof rack basket is in position, and it's looking good. Now, it's time to lock it down with the support brackets and M8 bolts. Let's make sure this thing stays put, no matter where the road takes you. Next, grab those M8 bolts. Start by threading them in by hand. Once the bolts are threaded in, grab your wrench and give them a good tighten. Don't go full Hulk mode, just snug enough to lock everything in place. We're talking firm, not strip the threads tight.
To make sure everything is locked in firm, give the entire roof rack a good shake. If it's solid with no movement, you know it's tight enough. Perfect. Now that the mounting brackets are fully tightened and secure, we can install the last 2 crossbars we skipped earlier. Go ahead and put those into place and get them snug.
Ever been on the highway, cruising at 75 miles per hour, and all you hear is silence? Yeah, that's the magic of our roof rack basket. No whistling, no rattling, just pure, quiet performance. Let me show you why. Here's where we get nerdy. We ran CFD simulations at 75 miles per hour to test our roof rack basket. Check this out. Smooth airflow, minimal pressure difference, and no crazy vortices. That's the secret sauce right there. But don't just take my word for it. We took this baby out on the highway, cranked it up to 75 miles per hour, and guess what? No noise. Just you, the road, and your favorite playlist.